Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You see a ban message. First, confirm its exact wording because that tells you what Telegram blocked. Once confirmed, prepare an alternative phone number, a fresh SIM or reliable virtual line, so you can receive the verification SMS. Install Telegram on another device to avoid cached session issues and enable a VPN if your region may be contributing. These steps get you ready immediately and explain why we changed the number and device before trying to regain access. Now register with the prepared phone number while on the other device and VPN. This avoids residual data tying you to the banned identity. When prompted, verify via SMS and set a clear profile. Don't import a banned account backup. If you need contacts, export or share them from other devices or ask contacts to reshare codes. Once done, lock two-step verification to secure the account. Choose a reputable number provider to lower the chance of immediate reban, and explain briefly why each choice matters. Finish by configuring two-step verification and adding a recovery email so you won't lose access. Once done, personalize security and privacy settings to reduce triggers that might flag your account. If the ban was unjustified, use settings help ask a question to contact Telegram support with a concise explanation and any proof. If you get blocked again, switch to a different operator's SIM or appeal with screenshots. This practical path resolves most bans and explains what to try if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.